This is the Everstart Maxx BC40BE, and I'm going to show you charging a battery. It's still installed in a vehicle. As soon as you plug the battery charger's power cord into the AC outlet, it's going to show you the symbol that's it is in standby mode. So that LCD screen will display that standby mode. And then there, make sure you already know where the positive and negative clamp goes to in your battery. So in my case, I have the 2 Series sedan BMW, and here's where the positive clamp goes. So you can just clamp it in. You will start with the positive and then proceed to the negative clamp. So if the clamps are correctly connected with regard to polarity and the unit is properly connected to the AC outlet, you will see again the unit will be in standby mode. And then you will see that it will display exactly like that. So once it's done, you will press the charge voltage button to start the charging process. So that's what the LCD screen will display when it's properly charging. So just to be safe, just make sure your clamps are um, secured. So you're gonna let it charge for a little bit, and the digital display will show the output current that is charging the battery. So you will see that. And then the gauge indicates the charge status of the battery. It will stay, the clamp icons and the battery icon will stay light, solid. And then the bars on the battery icon will change from empty to solid. So right now, this is how it should look. If your battery, there's nothing wrong with your battery, your car battery, and then you're just needing to charge it. So it is currently charging. Make sure in the manualslib.com, if you've lost the manual on this, there's a couple of instructions. And then here's a way to check the battery voltage while you're charging it. You just go press that charge voltage button again, and it's going to show you. So right now it's still at 13.1. So once you're done charging, you want to make sure that you remove from negative to the positive clamp. So negative first and then positive clamp. And what I did is I turned off the unit, the Everstart Max, before I removed the clamps, just to make sure. But again, the clamps remove the negative and positive after, and then make sure you've covered, if there's a cover or a cap in your battery, then make sure you replace the cover. And then that's it. Make sure everything's, once it's charged, then you just close it out and done.